In Chicago today for the PREX 2019 conference put on by Zapproved, which has really been an engaging session even in just this first day that I was able to attend. Mostly audience of in-house corporate legal departments. Also, I met several folks that were from IT departments in corporations and organizations that either had the responsibility of dealing with electronic discovery or managing their data information governance. Lots of discussions around the tables dealing with Office 365 and the various platforms and tools that they can use to get information out of that, as well as even a little bit of Google Drive. In fact, Zapproved today made an announcement that they have now a connector between their Z-Discovery platform and Google Vault, which is very powerful. Zapproved and the Z-Discovery platform has always worked with Microsoft Office 365, but today having that announcement with connecting even into Google Vault is very, very powerful. The first keynote session was all about artificial intelligence and AI. It was a very good panel. Michael Arkfeld was moderating the panel. Judge Shinlin was on the panel, as well as Dr. Ben Herndon, who did, I thought, a fantastic job of just talking about what AI is or how it can be applicable in the world of litigation, but really from a practical standpoint. And in fact, I remember he even said it's not the singularity, what everybody thinks that the robots are taking over. AI is really a tool that can help us accomplish some of the tasks that we've always wanted to do. In fact, he made a comment at the beginning that it's nothing new that humans are trying to create machines that will mimic the way humans work or even the way humans think. It's nothing new. We've been doing this for centuries. But in this case, we're just talking about how it applies in the world of litigation and better data management. They had a track called eDiscovery 101, which was great. I frankly didn't think there'd be a lot of people that would be attending that. I thought that the people coming to PREX maybe were a little bit beyond an eDiscovery 101, but this first session was on the EDRM, and it was a full house in that room, but it was excellent. They had several folks get up and talk about some of their tips and strategies and tricks that they have implemented in-house. I remember one person was talking about their frustration with getting mobile devices from their employees, that many times the employees would choose to reset the entire device before they handed it in which case it would basically what we call brick the phone so they couldn't get any information off of that. And that was just a spot of frustration. And from that session, I did go to another session called It's a Mobile World. Judge Peck was on that panel along with Director of Global Information Governance from eBay and a couple of other individuals that were really talking about their frustrations with mobile devices. I would say that certainly is one of the top topics. And then lastly, another topic of conversation around the halls were on legal holds. We had a session with John Tredenik and Brad Harris of Zapproved where they were talking about the latest edition of the legal holds commentary from the Sedona conference. It was just released in June of 2019, just a few months ago. And they were just talking about how pretty much they left everything unchanged from the core comments in the commentary, but they did add a little bit of additional commentary around the fact of what we have to deal with today when it comes to electronically stored information. All around a fantastic conference. Lots and lots of people there from corporations and organizations that are frankly just trying to learn better how to deal with electronic discovery in today's litigation matters and how to better manage data so that they can efficiently collect and preserve that information when they need to.